Good morning. We are going to have some discussion about time series today. Time series, very important method in statistics, which is going to be used by lot of business people. It is not only useful for the business people and for many predictions and to estimate many values. It is a very wonderful method that we are going to use. So what actually we are going to do in the time series and how we are going to predict the value, what are the different methods that are there in the time series, and I will, after explaining the graphical method, I'm going to end this video. So the most common methods for depicting the secular trends was freehand diagram, that is graphical method, semi-averages method, moving averages method, least square method, exponential smoothing method. So these are the methods that are available in a trend, linear trend. So if you see the this question, this problem to solve or to find out or to estimate the future value, here what was given? Here given that the annual soft drinks required. So 2001 it was 13, 2002 it was given 15, 2003 it was given 17, until 2009 it was given 22. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values was given, and they told us to find out the sales of 2011. So how to do it? It's very simple method. We are going to draw a graph where on x-axis we are going to take years, on y-axis we are going to take the annual soft drink production. And after plotting the points based on the scale on x-axis and x-axis, we can take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, as the years difference was 1 year, and y-axis you can take a scale of 2, as the difference here was 2 in each item. The y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units we can take, and you can start the graph by giving the false baseline from 10, okay, 10 or 11. So now it is a freehand diagram, and you can draw with a free hand, and not required to draw with particularly by using the scale. So as I told you, on the x-axis we have taken years from 2001 to 2011 because we want to predict the value of 2011, and on the y-axis we started the value with the 10 as the difference between the scale on y-axis was taken 2 units for 1 centimeter. It started with 10, ended with 26. 2001, if you see the value was 13, that was plotted in the diagram. 2002, if you see the value was 15, that was plotted in the diagram. All the values of the years was plotted in the diagram. And if you see the trend line was moving upwards. If you still extend from 2009 to 2011, then you can estimate the value that comes at 2011 was 24, and the sales estimate was $24 in 2011. It is a very simple method that we are going to use to find out or to predict the linear trend time series. This is time series analysis. So there are certain drawbacks that are there, certain limitations that are there to use the graphical method of time series, because we are drawing a freehand diagram, and 2011 predicted value was just an extension of the line from the previous values, and we cannot, the value that we are going to get may not be very much accurate. It is just an estimated value. So there are certain limitations for this method, and most of the time there are certain advantages. Both advantages and disadvantages are there for this method, and mostly we use semi-averages method or moving averages method or exponential smoothing method to predict the values in the time series. So thank you.